we're just missing one thing here, and that is commodities. Scroll down this page slightly down. Okay, slightly down this page. Well, you're on the okay. You're probably on the bonds page, so maybe you want to go a little bit higher. Okay, a little bit up. Okay, wonderful. And then what? Look at the right side of your investing.com where you have commodities. That's one last thing that we didn't cover in terms of the classes of assets. Look at the right side where you see commodities on the right side. Do you see me drawing?
Yeah.
Over here? Yes, wonderful. Now, can you just scroll down slightly? Okay, I would like you just to look at the, let's say, major commodities that you're going to find here. And you see crude oil, you see Brent oil, natural gas, gold, silver, copper, US beans, and we can continue like sugar, wheat, orange juice, and stuff like that. That's pretty much commodities, raw materials for manufacturing products and foods, right? So listen, it's actually a very good day to give you as an example. Okay, look what happens to the commodities market today. And if you look today, for example, at oil price and gold price, what would you say? Is that something like a normal day, or there's something happened today?
Well, it's a different change on Brent oil.
Now, I'm looking percentage-wise. You see, so today, Brent oil gone up by 5%, crude oil gone up almost by 5. You see, gold today dropped by almost 75 to 1.78%. So it's a huge movement in the market today. Do you know what caused that movement?
Something has to do with the Middle East, I suppose. They are close.
Well, listen, this is something that you're pretty much missing, Danielle, that we definitely will cover on the later stage. But I just want you to understand that the news, it's just something that moves the market a lot, okay? And it moves it in a matter of seconds. And today, it's actually happened just like you said. There was, again, a conflict escalation between U.S. and Iran, like shots fired, okay, missiles and stuff. So the oil price just skyrocketed from like $69 that it hit just recently. You see it gone up today by almost $4 at some point. Now it dropped down a bit. But what I'm trying to say, these type of things, they create huge opportunities to trade later. Because whatever gone up a lot has to go down. Imagine oil gone up to 120 in the beginning of the conflict, and then it dropped down to 69 last week. Okay, so whatever goes up has to go down, and vice versa. So whenever you're following the, let's say, the pulse of the market, and whenever you know what is about to happen or what's going on, then you have, let's say, a huge advantage of taking a decision, a right decision at the right time. And by the way, to do so, I advise you at some point to just subscribe to my Telegram channel. I run also a Telegram channel where I post the most important, let's say, news and announcement during the day that actually make the market movements and opportunities. So just have a look there, okay? If you like to just follow that, it's just a nice small channel, right? Where you're going to have a lot of valuable info, all right? Check that later, okay?